In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website fit all screens. Whether it's a mobile device, a tablet, or a desktop computer, having a responsive website is essential in providing a seamless experience for your users. So, let's dive right in and see how you can ensure your Wix site looks great on any device. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website and open up your project. Make sure you're logged in so you have access to all your editing tools. Once you have your website open, we're going to focus first on the mobile view. Over on the left-hand side of your editor, you'll notice an icon that resembles a small mobile device. Go ahead and click on that mobile icon. This will give you a quick preview of how your site will appear on mobile devices. This view is crucial because it allows you to see if any elements of your site appear out of place or if certain aspects need resizing. Take the time to carefully examine each section, every image, and all the text to ensure they fit well within the confines of a mobile screen. If you notice any elements that don't quite fit or look off, you can simply adjust their sizes directly within this view. Drag and resize images, move text boxes, and make sure everything aligns perfectly for a clean and professional appearance. But don't stop at mobile view. It's equally important to switch back to desktop view afterward. You'll find this option right next to the mobile icon. Clicking on it will take you to the full desktop version of your website. It's essential to ensure that your adjustments for mobile haven't negatively impacted the overall look and feel of your site when viewed on larger screens. Here, you can conduct a similar check. Remember, balance is key. Make the necessary tweaks so that your site's design is consistent across devices, providing users with a cohesive experience no matter how they choose to visit your website. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments you made and everything looks picture perfect on all screens, don't forget the most crucial step, saving your work. This is done simply by clicking the Save button located in the top right corner of your editor. By saving, you ensure that all your hard work is stored and ready for the public to see. And that's it. By following these steps, you've ensured your Wix website fits beautifully across all screens, enhancing the user experience and optimizing your site's appeal. Take pride in your design, knowing that you've made it accessible and visually pleasing for everyone who visits. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.